Statistics and evidence, a power tool for persuasive language. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to unlock one of the most effective tools in the world of persuasive language: statistics and evidence. When we're having debates or discussions, the right evidence can often mean the difference between winning and losing an argument. When we debate or discuss any topic, our goal is to convince others of our viewpoint. Statistics and evidence are powerful tools that can help strengthen our arguments. They give weight to our words, demonstrate that we've done our research, and make our arguments more believable. Statistics are numbers collected about a specific topic. They provide quantitative proof that what you're saying is valid. Evidence, on the other hand, can be both quantitative, like statistics, or qualitative, like anecdotes or personal experiences. Both are important when persuading others in debates and discussions. Using statistics in your arguments is a great way to add credibility. However, it's crucial that your statistics are accurate and relevant to the point you're trying to make. When you quote a statistic, be sure to explain its relevance clearly. Here's an example. If you're arguing for the importance of clean energy, you could say, according to a recent report, renewable energy sources could power 80% of the U.S. electricity grid by 2050. This statistic is strong because it is both specific and directly related to your point. Like statistics, evidence needs to be relevant to the topic at hand. When using qualitative evidence, such as personal anecdotes or experiences, make sure they support your argument and provide additional insight. For instance, you could say, a friend of mine invested in solar panels for her home, and she's been able to reduce her electricity bill by more than 50%. This anecdote supports your argument about the practical benefits of renewable energy. Remember, quality matters more than quantity. One piece of strong, relevant evidence can be more persuasive than several weak or unrelated pieces. In debates and discussions, statistics and evidence can be your best allies. They make your arguments more credible, persuasive, and engaging. So, before you jump into your next debate, make sure you have gathered all the statistics and evidence you need. That's it for today, folks. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember to use statistics and evidence to make your arguments shine. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to helping you further hone your English language skills in our future videos.